crisp enough.
Speaking of crisp, when can we put Christmas decorations up?
1st of December.
I'm not doing all that work just for like 1 month.
They're not going up before December.
Mum said I could.
No, she didn't.
She said after.
No, she didn't. When are you putting Christmas decks up?
I was going to do it like now.
Nah, but it's not even.
Okay, after bonfire.
After what? They're not being up 6 weeks. You're worse than B&M.
No, I'm not. They've been up since Easter.
Oh, Hannah, no, you can't have Christmas decks.
What about my own room?
Do what you want in your own room.
What about the landing? How far can I spread from my room? How far does it go?
It's just no, Hannah.
Can I do
Christmas
floor?
is bad enough. It's
Can I do the middle floor?
Yeah, we want lights all the way up the.
Yes, now you want to, don't you? Now the lights are involved.
On the staircases, absolutely.
So I'm allowed to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fun.
Because it's lights.
It's lights. You've got a light weakness.
You're literally a moth. Right.
Right, we're gonna. Sorry to interrupt, but if you're learning to drive, you need to become a member and get access to a Learn to Drive course. Absolutely comprehensive videos, small fee each month, videos added all the time. Learn to drive just using our videos. Drive?
Yeah, I don't know how. No, I don't know how.
What do you do how?
I don't know how to start it.
Yes, you do. You say it every week. I'll put my seatbelt on.
Wait, I need to.
Come on. I get a reputation as a non-seatbelt person. Anyway.
Oh my gosh, you've got to excuse
We're going to concentrate more on right.
Excuse my look.
Okay.
Sorry.
We're going to concentrate. Stop breaking the fourth wall. I told you about that.
It's like Fleabag.
How many times have I had to tell her? No, anyway, before you drive off, we're going to concentrate more on right turns, and then we're going to go to another little part of the state and meet more traffic. We're going to start introducing the idea of meeting, passing, anticipating what cars are doing, and rules of the road.
Okay.
Now you're going to move that seatbelt.
The what?
Down. There you go. No, why don't you bring it higher so your legs can be out of harm's way, and bring it towards you a bit more.
I'm trying to as far as it goes.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. Everyone's saying on the comments like.
I want more comments. Why are people obsessed with your steering wheel?
They're like, bring it closer, bring it closer. I can't.
Why don't they just let me be a driving instructor?
You don't understand that I can't like move any further forward.
Stop interfering, people.
Hold up. Oh no. I want to go down. I'm just going backwards, not down.
You're going down.
I don't think I am.
Hannah, you're going down.
I'm actually not though.
You literally are.
Oh yeah, I am.
Yeah.
I'm just
How does it take so long for you to get your seat sorted out? You take this cockpit job, actually, like, very seriously.
Yep. I'm gonna let the examiner know who they're working with.
Well, when you go to test, I'd assume you'd have your car seat in place.
That's true.
Yes,
I've actually lost the lever for this thing.
What one? It's on the right, Hannah. It's on the right.
I do.
Yeah, I know.
Can't decide because I haven't had a go and said, oh, you don't know your left to right. Well, I do know my left to right, so just take a minute to think about it.
Well, yes, that is kind of.
That's moving this one.
No, Hannah, that's the one in the front. That's at the back.
Yeah, that's this one.
No, that's the one behind it.
Oh.
There's another one.
Are they all on the right?
Yeah. There you go.
Ah, the bun.
Oh yeah, bun. Don't drive with a bun.
No, I can drive with a bun.
Can you drive with a bun?
Well, no, let's find out.
No, that's alright. Your bun won't get embedded in your brain if you have an accident.
I've seen the amount of pins I've got in there.
Oh. Oh, they're sideways on there, aren't they?
Yeah, half of them are going to my skull currently.
Do you think you should take them off?
They won't be able to come out right now. Their hair will be a mess.
That's worse.
Just don't crash.
Don't crash. Fair enough.
What are we doing again?
Driving.
Oh, how's that the car? I'm driving. Oh.
You've turned the car off, Hannah. Yeah, that noise it was making. That's called the engine. It was on.
I know, but I thought I had to like access. Okay, it's fine. I've got it now.
Okay. Right, you know how to do it.
Can I wait till that car comes?
No.
Okay.
It's on your. Whose side of the road is it on? It's like you walking down the pavement and panicking when someone's on that side of the pavement.
Why aren't we driving?
Because you haven't put in gear.
Oh, yeah.
Clutch down first gear, find the biting point. Shall I talk you through it?
Yeah.
Okay, listen to the engine, find the bite. Okay, we've got the bite, haven't we? Now you got to look all around. Basically, you got to look around, decide it's safe to go. Do effective observations to make sure it's safe to go. So start from there.
No.
What?
Wasn't safe to go.
No. Okay, well, it didn't go. Okay. So start from there. Work your way around. Whilst you're working around, let people know you want to go. Let people know you want to go. That's it. Bit of gas. Take the handbrake off so you can go. That's it. little bit of movement over your shoulder as you're moving off. Lovely, that's it, get that blind spot check just before you move off. Get rid of the indicator, it's done its job. Let's go then. Second gear please, H. 3, 2, 1. Just remembering to lift the gas pedal. That's like walking. Follow it down then, we'll keep on going. Is there any reason why you can't go around this vehicle? Is there anyone behind you?
No.
Okay, move it around, don't need a signal, there's no benefit. The alternative is driving in the back of a sweeper lorry. So it's kind of obvious what you're doing.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't like
check your mirrors back in. So see the vehicle cross there, go, then check your mirror, then go, otherwise you'll cut in front of it. Are we good to go? Yes we can, check your mirrors in.
Oh, yeah.
Yes we can. Anyway, it's right down there, wasn't it? So hold that thought, because this is when we're going to talk about meeting and passing cars, Hannah.
Okay.
A little bit of gas. Keep yourself over. Look at your left mirror. Look where your road position isn't.
I know, I'm just glancing.
Yeah. So one little glance told you straight away.
Someone waved at us.
Who was it?
Someone in that car.
Oh, nice. I wonder who it was.
I don't know, I didn't see them in time. I feel quite bad now.
I feel bad.
So I gave him a bit of a
Did you
glare.
go?
Not a glare, just a...
Give him a dirty look.
No, just a...
Can't be one of your many fans. We're turning right, please.
That was...
So we go mirror, 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 mirror signal. 1, 2, and 3.
Sorry.
That's it. Easing off. Now slow it down. Is it clear ahead? Is it clear to the right? Slow it down so you can see what you're turning into and check behind you as well. Okay, here we go then. Round we go. One full turn. Then left hand. Turn it back. New road. New road. Well done. A little bit of gas there. So we're just going to. It's going to be a bit of a happer term. We're going to underpin and consolidate. Take a left here, please. Mirror, mirror. I think it's 1, 2, and 3. Off the gas. Round we go. Turn, 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 Hannah. No, you've gone very wide there. So
Yeah,
remember the point of turn. Really take it with confidence.
Sorry.
Take a left here, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. Cross the corner. Here we go. Go, turn, 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 turn with confidence, or you hit the car, won't you? And turn it back. Well done.
That's quite good. Oh my gosh, this is literally like a
Yeah.
maze.
So check your that way. Bring it across. See if you can pass parallel. Come out earlier.
Pass parallel.
Passing parallel to this vehicle, rather than coming out.
Got it, got it.
Making sure we're there. We'll keep going. It's fine.
Better not be going my way.
That's okay. No, don't gas. Come off the gas.
Okay.
So it's going to be left hand that way, right hand that way. Here we go. Left hand and right hand down. And right hand down.
God.
Now you focused on the van. You didn't just think it's there and it was there. Okay?
That doesn't press down.
So let's jump in there if we mount the pavement.
Thank you.
Into the road, turning left. Okay, where are we going? 1 and 2 and 3. Road position, Hannah. Signal. You're done. That's it. Slow down. Brake. Clutch down first gear. Clutch down first gear. Nice. Turn and turn. Hold the power. You're off the clutch for some reason.
No, I
No, you hold the clutch. You hold the clutch to brake. If you come off the clutch, it'll stall, won't it? Brake and clutch down, bite, gas, and go.
Brake and clutch
We're not
down.
an automatic car.
I'm doing brake and clutch down.
No, brake and clutch down, then holding the brake, come back to the bite, then you can set the gas. So set the gas, set the gas. Remember, it's just a little bit of movement. Hold it, get left foot, get a little hold, turn, turn, turn. Do not touch your feet. Do not move your feet. Rotate and turn it out. So you're doing a little bit of movement. You can't zoom off in that direction.
Yeah.
Let's go then. Now, once you're out on the road, the risk is behind us. Let's keep going. Right, look at the gear stick. Let's go. Listen to your engine.
Yep. Oh, I need to higher.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. You can hear it, can't you? Okay. Follow the road. Look at your left mirror, please, Hannah.
Yep.
So, one little look, you know exactly where you are.
Yeah.
Now, can you not do that without me having to say, look in your left mirror?
I'll try.
Yeah, exactly. So we're trying to teach you to be independent.
Is this near where I park?
Yeah.
Ah.
And we're going to turn right at this roundabout. Mini roundabout, we're turning right, so we're going to go round the roundabout. We'll go the, hey, oh.
Sorry.
So,
Wait, this mini
turning right, yes. So we're
that
going to do
driving?
mirror, mirror, signal right. We give way to the right, ease off the gas. Slowing it down, that's okay. Clear to the right, round you go. Turn, 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 and then left hand powers it away. As it's coming out, you can power away if you want to move it away. There we go. That's it.
I keep like taking my foot off the gas. Is that bad?
Yeah, you're on a constant speed. Go a bit faster. Now look at your left mirror again. Look at the distance. Can you, if you imagined a car driving up, you'd be driving into it, wouldn't you? So I don't think we need a car there. I mean, yeah, moving away. Look around you a bit more.
I was putting myself close to the car.
Yeah, it's too close.
Was it?
Yeah. Ease off the gas. Turning in. Turn, turn, turn. Turn away from the curve just a little bit. Okay. Now who's got priority through here?
Me.
No.
Nope. Them. You've waited on coming.
Okay. Anything there?
Not really.
No. Check your mirrors in. Away you come out. That's it. And check your mirrors back in. So get used to the idea of checking left coming in.
Okay.
Because when we start doing dual carriageways, you'll be rather grateful.
Okay.
Follow the road down. Let's have a challenge.
Okay.
Let's go straight down. We're going to go for a really quiet estate.
Okay, thank you.
Ah, well, I want to say quiet. I was lying. Oh. Follow the road down.
Did you see that bike?
Yes. Hazard.
Hazard. I can't believe I passed my theory test.
Move away from the...
Yeah. Every now and then I just sit there and get all excited.
First time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes. So if you start looking around just a bit from pavement to pavement, you'll pick up the relationship of where you are automatically. Okay. What happens when we start off driving? We tend to be a bit fixated down there. We get a bit more hyper focused or mono focused. There we go. We got priority through here, haven't we?
So drive a little bit faster, feel a bit bad.
Oh, we're just happy what we're doing. Then we're going to be turning right down this road. Okay. Keep an eye on that car there. Now turning right then, mirror signal right. Now you can't turn in. Slow right, on signal. Slow it right down. Clutch down first gear in this one. Because you can't clutch down first gear. First gear. Turn. Is it closer? Don't come off the clutch. You've got to turn. You've got to keep the speed steady, haven't you? And turn it back. That's it. Turn it back. Turn it back. The other way, Hannah. The other way. Before you hit the car.
I'm trying.
So I had push-pull steering. If you had push-pull steering now, you'd be able to do that.
No, I did. I just didn't. I did like 2 full turns.
Yeah.
Because I forgot about the gas.
Follow the road. So the thing is, you're getting the speed for the manoeuvre. Do the steer, and then we move away. Break it into 2 parts. Listen to your engine. Change gear. So just keep an eye on the cars. So if you only look on one side, you'll move away and move into those cars without looking at it. So you've got to balance it out.
Yeah.
Looking left and right. Now at the end of this road, we're turning left.
Okay.
So keeping it straight. So mirror signal. Like a triangle. Move away from the car a little bit. I'll be bang in the middle. Here we go. Let's slow it down. First gear then. Brake clutch down first gear. Come to the bite. Turn left. Go with left hand, Hannah. Hold your clutch. Bring it round. Right hand. Then we're going to move it away slowly down there. And then we're going to be turning right. Okay. So you keep it first gear. You're only turning in here. Check both sides of the vehicle. You notice you're looking over there and you're drifting over. You've got to balance out your looking. Turning right then. 1, 2 and 3. Hold your horses. Is it clear? Yep. Good.
No, it's not.
No, it's okay. It's fine. So I'll stop there. That's it. She wasn't very helpful, was she?
No, how would I...
Bit of gas for me. I'm helping you here.
Okay.
So you notice you go nowhere near the clutch, so straight away you just go,
yeah.
So you've got to get this panic reaction. Just going to be quite stoical. There's the car. We'll just slow down. Stop.
Whose fault was that?
Other ones. Just go across. Now, have you watched any of the videos at all?
Yeah, you told me to.
Did you watch one on meeting party anticipation?
Not that one.
Okay, that's the next one you need to watch. Which we'll pick up on Tuesday. Go a little bit faster if you can. What's the speed limit down here?
Okay.
Okay. Well, there's a built up area with street lights. What is it?
Probably like 40, 30, 20.
You just go see.
Yeah,
Oh, it's 30.
Well,
What do you do?
20.
No, keep going then, please. Is it clear on your right?
Yeah.
Just go past it then. So if you're not interfering with those cars, you can go past. Just look there, look now, look back in. Don't just get down, switch across, you'll take the front of the car out. There's no panic to get back in. If there is a panic to go back in, we shouldn't have gone. Okay. Okay, looking ahead, is it clear? Is it clear behind?
Yeah.
Okay, how we come? So when the vehicle goes through, just look at it on the left, see it go over the mirror, see it gone, now you can come back in. Don't come back in until that moment. That's it. Follow the road then. So, where's the risk as well? Down there, check. No, there's no wrong with the cars, she's gone. Checking down there, back in. So if you watch the car go through, as it gets to the mirror, then you can just double check it's alright. A little bit of gas, check your left side, a little bit faster if you can. Into the road, turning left. 1, 2, 3, slow it down. Clutch down first gear, focus on the speed, come to the bite, still so turn, keep your foot on the bite, turn, add some gas to go with the bite. If you add some gas it shouldn't zoom off, rotate, right hand, right, that's it, good. A little bit of gas up to second gear, second gear, then turning right. 3, 2, 1, off the gas pedal.
Off the gas?
Yeah. When you're changing gear, you've got to be off the gas pedal.
I've got loads of lights on, can you fix that please?
Yep. So.
This didn't need to be here.
What?
This bit didn't used to be here.
No, it's all new, isn't it? Tiny right. That's it. Slow it down. First gear. First gear. Slow it down, slow it down. As you know, it's okay. Yes, it bite. Yes, turn, rotate it. No, you're off clutch already. You shouldn't be coming off the clutch until now. You're rotating the car around, taking a little bit of power, Hannah. Rotate it round and then accelerate away. So think about you bringing the car into position to then move away. So move right for the curve, please. Gas and go. Up to second gear. Okay, there we go. Right hand then. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Use that hand as well, Hannah.
Oh yeah.
And back again. Okay, end of the road, we'll turn right. So, turn your right. 1 and 2 and 3. That's it. Slow down. Focus on the speed. Throw in the gear change over the top of it, focusing on the speed. Come to the bite. Off the brakes. You've got it down enough. Hold it there. Here we go. Pull it out. Yeah, round we go. Turning it in. So you should be in the clutch there, and then left hand, then powers this away, rather than that. You see, that doesn't give you an acceleration, it just makes a noise. Second gear. 3, 2, 3,
Sorry,
2,
yeah.
1. Right, it's going to do that little circuit again. Signal right.
Mirror signal.
Okay, slow it down. Mirror signal right, slow down. Brake. Clutch down, first gear. Clutch down, first gear. To the bite. To the gas. Now don't come off the clutch. Turn. Keep the bite there. Hold it, rotate, and then left hand. Now we accelerate, powering both, squeezing both away, and second gear and go. You know what I mean? So really, you're just rotating when you merge left or right. You just bite gas, rotating the car around, and then when it starts to straighten it up, that turn.
Every single day, turn the keyless go. Confidence.